Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Guide, and here we are on the RRB Group D Reasoning Crash Course of the class 2. We have already published our class 1, and if you haven't watched our class 1, you can see it in the watch list. Okay, in the playlist you can find the class 1. Okay, so in our first class we have done 5 problems, and in the second class we will also do 5 problems. Okay, we are not elongating the class, okay, of 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, in this session, what is the first question? The question is, choose which is not similar to the others in the group given below. What are the lizard, crocodile, reptile, snake? Okay, these are the 4 things that is a given. Now I can clearly say that crocodile is a reptile, snake is a reptile, and lizard is also a reptile. Okay, these 3 are the reptiles and they belong to the family, reptile family. So snake, lizard, crocodile is similar and reptile is the different thing, because reptile is the name of their family. Okay, so moving to the next question. The next question is a very simple coding decoding one. And how can you solve this very simple coding decoding one? EIMQUY is to CGKOSW. Now if we watch it very clearly, E to C minus 2, I to G minus 2, M to K minus 2. Okay, E is 5, C is 3, I is 9, G is 7, M is 13, K is 11. Okay, now Q minus 2 is O. How much Q? How can we calculate the Q? Okay, 13M 14N O P Q. Okay, 15 O, 16 17. Okay, 17 is the Q, and how much O? O is the 15. Next U. How much U? U is 21 and S is 19. Okay, and you have to remember, and in our earlier videos we have told how to remember, what are the tricks to remember all those things. Okay, a lot in our lot of videos we have already told you. And Y is 25 and W is 23. So very simple logic of minus 2. So in this case, if I want to decode this one, so what will the result will be B minus 2, that B minus 1 will be A, and A minus 1 I have to start from the end of the series. Okay, now if I write A B C D E F G H, so last is Z, so B minus 2 will be Z, and here is our answer, Z. You can see clearly from the 4 options that Z is started. Okay, the 4th option is started from Z, so it is the only option. No need to re-evaluate all the other letters. Okay, and now let us reevaluate one letter. F is 6, D is 4. Minus 2 logic, again minus 2 logic. Okay, what is J? J is 10, so H is 8. Okay, so no need to waste your time in the examination hall. Just you see B minus 2 logic is Z, so 4th is the correct answer. If there is 2 options starting from the Z, then go to the second option or the last letter, second letter or last letter. Okay, no need to require if such simple problems are there. Okay, because we are thinking about the group D, not more than group D. Okay, pointing to a photograph, the lady said, he is the son of my grandfather's only son. How is the person in the photo related to the lady? Okay, now let us clearly understood what is saying. First of all, you have to decode it. The son of my grandfather's only son. The son of my grandfather's. Who is me? Me here is a lady. Now I am writing about the lady. Now the son of my grandfather's only son. My grandfather. This is my father. This is my grandfather. Okay, so I reached to the grandfather. Now grandfather's only son is my father, lady's father. Now the son of my grandfather's only son. This is the only son of her grandfather. Now his son is this one son. Now you can see the son and the daughter of same father, they are called as brother. They are called as brother. So our correct option will be option number 4. Okay, let me repeat it once again. Okay, let me repeat it once again. The son of my grandfather's only son. Who is my here is the lady. Okay, here the myself is the lady. So the lady's grandfather, I go to lady's grandfather. His only son is the lady's father, and his son is the his plus I have written. So son and daughter of same father, they are known as brother. They are known as brother. Now brother and sister, they are known as brother and sister. But here, how is the person in the photo related to the lady? So I have to find this man with respect to lady, and this man will be brother. If the question is would be asked like, how is the lady in the photo related to the man, just opposite question would be asked. Then what will happen? So now this relation would be asked. Okay, so that will be sister. The lady will be sister of the man. Okay, so I hope I have clear all the look and corner of this question. Next, there is a mathematical operation given: 16 minus 24 into 2 divided by 10 plus 104 equals to 10. Now in this type of mathematical operation, what you need your calculation very fast, and you have to find it by the option elimination method. Okay, no other tricky method are there. Really, there are no other tricky method are there. Okay, if your observation power is very good, then you can go to the correct options at first time. Some of them said go to the 3 and 4 first time. Okay, I said this is a very bad logic, because if the 1 is the correct answer, then you will waste again your time. Okay, so I don't know. So we should go from option 1. Option 1 said that minus division and multiplication should be changed. Division and multiplication should be changed. Okay, now minus 24 multiplication should be replaced by the division, and division by 2 multiplied by 10 plus 104 equals to 0. Now what will happen? Division and multiplication would be changed. Now the division would be multiplication. Already I have changed. So 24 divided by 2. Okay, minus division in multiplication plus Bodmas rule. If I follow the Bodmas rule, the division will be our first priority. So if I divide the 24 by 2, then the answer will be 12. Now into multiplied by 10. Now 104, this is the minus, equals to 0. Now what will happen? Here multiplication is a higher priority, so what I can do, 16 minus 120 plus 104. I just followed the Bodmas rule. Okay, and your calculation should be fast enough in the examination. Minus 120 plus 104. Now 16 plus 104, you can see here is a plus, here is a plus. So 16 and the 104 are the two positive sign, and if I add them, the 104 plus 16 will be 120, and 120 minus 120 will be 0. So our first option is correct. No need to go to the option 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if option 1 fails, then go to 2. Again, option 2 fails, then go to 3, and option 3 fails, then go to 4. Okay, don't jump to 4 first time. I hope this mathematical operation is very clear to you. So moving to the next option. This is similar to our previous question. Okay, and one of the previous question, what's it said? It said a question is given. Okay, a question is given, and there are 3 statements also given. Now you have to decide which statement is sufficient. Which statement is the only one statement, or 2 statement, or 3 statement are sufficient to answer the particular question. Okay, so let us read the question very carefully. Find out the minimum number of nurses needed by the hospital. Find out the minimum number of nurses needed by the hospital. What is the minimum number of nurses needed by the hospital? Statement 1 said there are 3 shifts round the clock. Okay, 3 shifts round the clock, that means 8-hour shift, and round the clock there are 3 shifts. Now statement 2 said there are 13 wards 13 wards requiring 2 nurses per shift. So if I just calculate 13 wards taking 2 nurse one shift, so 13 into 2 26, and 26 into 3 shift, okay, it will be 78. It will be 78. Now I can clearly find how many nurses are required. What is the third option say? We should go to the third option before any conclusion. Third option says the town needs at least 3 nurses per 1,000 population. The statement 3 is talking about the town, and we are not thinking about the town. We are not interested about the town. We are interested about the hospital. So only option 1 cannot give us the conclusion that how many nurses are required. But both option 1 and option 2, they, including the option 1 and 2, they gives us the correct answer. Okay, they gives us the satisfying answer for this question, satisfying answer for this question. So what will be the answer? Answer will be option 1 and 2. I hope that this type of statement data sufficiency questions is clear to you, and this type of question will be asked in your group D examination. Okay, so thank you for watching our class, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, okay, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.